think she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit in layers, hoe. Dead glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Dead glow, keep running circles.
Believe, I believed everything we had, but less too young and naive of me to think she was from you.
So Ronnie Snail, hoe. Dead glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Get low, where you been at, mine? Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate it. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on time. Glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit in layers, hoe. Dead glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Dead glow, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Dead glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Dead glow. Dead glow.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain. It's
So guys, I am here at the kids' doctor's appointment. Both of them are getting seen. So Drew will be 2 tomorrow. His birthday is tomorrow, so it's his 2-month checkup, 24-month checkup. And then Janai is 5 months, so she has her 5-month checkup as well. So they're just checking her. She's also gonna get shots. So fingers crossed for that. Hopefully she's not too rowdy or doesn't get them a fit. I got that on camera. Oh. No.
Yeah.
Wow. Happy
Yeah,
birthday,
dude.
Mia. The TV. Look at him.
Happy birthday, man.
Oh my gosh, Budiba.
Not jealous.
Ew, yeah, look.
Eee.
Look. So cool. Nice. Nice. Okay, look at that. You want to open up the next one?
Where's oh he got 4. So he has 4.
Look at this one. This stuff is so cool.
Let me look.
You got it.
I'm a ladybug. One.
Good beauty.
Light up the way.
And you got a drawing board.
Lights on.
So now you must want to get downhill.
Flash.
Girl.
I'm a ladybug. Turn the ring to find the yellow lion.
This is so cool. Wow.
Red, green, yellow, blue, let's follow the jungle crew.
You're gonna have to help me with this. How you supposed to do this? Yourselves. I need to look at you, Boogie.
Turn the ring to find red, green, yellow, blue, let's follow the jungle crew.
Hey, Nana. Hey, Booty Boo. Hey, Booty Boo. Hey, Booty Boo. Ooh.
Wow.
Look at you just staring at him. He like, what are those? Look at him.
Those are flamingos.
You ready?
Look at him.
그건 아니지 이거.
Hi.
좀 배우네.
Look at Oh, they can't hear that. I'm steady tapping on it. They can't hear it. Oh my god, the clouds are so big. I love his little outfit. Hey, you think good? You ready? How do we get back?
Go back to where you came.
Okay. Go, birdie, go. Go, Mia.
Walk the other way.
We are at Atlanta Zoo, you guys. First Thinker's birthday. Today is his birthday. I'm gonna insert some clips to show you guys the setup we did for his birthday for Mickey Mouse. But we are here at the zoo for my baby's second birthday, and yeah, enjoy the vibes. I'm just gonna let her sit up like this.
Okay.
Look, Stinker. Look at that. Hey. I don't know why you're trying to get them over here.
Pooh, pooh. Pooh, pooh, pooh. Look, bud. Look at him.
I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not, it's advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there
don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun on one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause, so serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the DP litty. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. And when I'm on that back calling me splurge, why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
In the dark, I'm in my drop top. Who's in the streets? I got a real pretty, pretty little thing that's waiting for me. I just wanna be anticipating good love. Don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my hands in places I ain't never seen. Girl, you know what I mean. Take it up, and nice and quiet. There ain't no one better to up. Ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and slow. See, I've been waiting for this for so long. We'll be making love until the sun comes out. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and slow.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on it.
That's cute. He don't want it. Yeah.
You're like, I don't like that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Drew. Happy birthday to you.
Blow them out, blow them out, blow them out. Say, look. Blow, say blow, say.
Don't grab it.
Lord, no. There you go. Yeah!
Take him out and put his face in it.
He's so good.
We're gonna put his face in there.
Okay, yeah, you gotta put the face. Oh, go ahead, here. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Wait, hold on. Smash his face in there. Woo!
Look at his face. He said, give me a piece, dog, alright? What yeah. You threw that away?
What? No, it's in there. It's in there. Or no.
Everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song. Alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair, and your soft skin, and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song. Alright. Every time I write these words, they become a taboo.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Wing Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma slap on these fuck niggas every time they piss noise. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama runs. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around and dunk. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
This real ice, I don't need a flash for this shit. For this cash, got a bad bitch that'll do a trick. Designer down, I ain't take the tag off this shit. They ask me why, cause bitch, I paid a bag for this shit. I'm that type of nigga, get a rap check, go buy a brick. I'm the type of nigga, catch you hatin', I'ma slide your bitch. You with this shit, oh yeah, ain't pick what side you with. Bad still coming in, all kind of shit. Foreign car driver, pull up all kind of whips. Trap nigga fashion, put on all kind of drip. Pat do gymnastics, nigga, I'ma make it flip. All these blue honeys on me, got them thinking I'm a crib. Long live nip, all I know is hustle. Real street nigga, got this shit up off the muscle. All this jewelry on, I ain't got no time to tussle. Looking like a brick, jumping out that motherfucker.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating lo mein, it's child for now. Child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child. Yeah, she making that ass shake, breaking that back till her back break. Wow, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind to this whole waste. Trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want hard mark, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever presses mine. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Return policies can't be mine. Nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind to this whole waste. Trials and tribulations. Child.
Real hot girl shit.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's